Good afternoon and welcome back to the market color for today, being the 7th of April 2024. I'm excited to have you all here during the period of this market color, right? So quickly, we're going to be analyzing a few currency pairs, and then we'll be looking out for what we expect to see for the remaining part of today. Today has been quite funny. Starting off with the dollar index, we're going to move from there to Euro USD and GBP USD as we look ahead. All right, so for the dollar index, we said that we wanted to see it sell a little further to the downside, and then we're looking at a couple of places, one of which is this level. Right, this level right here. Okay, so we're saying we wanted to see the dollar index straight further into here, but we can see that that didn't happen as we anticipated. Instead, the dollar is shying away from there and might give us a deeper retracement maybe during that period. So looking at it from this level right here being the swing low and here being the swing high. I don't think the dollar index might trade all the way to 76, but if it does, we should be looking out for another round of sell from there. So we might see something like this before this finally plays out. So this is a possibility on the dollar index. It's a possible play that might happen, seeing what is going on the dollar index, and we're seeing further push to the downside, although price has not broken here yet. Okay, has not broken this high just yet. So until it does that, we might not see any push to the upside moving forward. So this is what I'm looking out for on the dollar index. I want to see it continue selling, or if it breaks this high, then I want to see it trade above all the way here and then sell off afterwards. Okay. So since we have that bias on the dollar index, let's now see what implication that has on Euro USD and on GBP USD. So let's quickly open up Euro USD. Okay, so this is Euro USD. Looking at what has been happening here on Euro USD. Instead, in the morning, we're expecting it to just keep buying, but it kind of sold off before the buy. Euro USD sold off a little before the buy, so we're expecting it to continue buying moving forward. But then, looking at what is going on the dollar index, if you see it break that high on the dollar index and keep trading up, then you should see Euro USD selling further to the downside. But if it doesn't, just like we're analyzing in the morning, we're expecting Euro USD to keep buying. So my bias for Euro USD is still a buy, irrespective of what is going on in the market currently. So that is that on Euro USD. I'm still waiting for a buy setup. But to see another buy setup print out on Euro USD, I'll be willing to take that buy and then trade it all the way to the upside. So Euro USD for me still remains a buy. Same thing with GBP USD. It still remains a buy for me. I'm looking for buys on Euro USD and then buys on GBP USD. In fact, GBP USD is getting close to a point of interest that previously marked, which is right here. So around here. That previously marked GBP USD for that level. So I'm expecting it to start buying from there. Remember in the morning we said you might see some further sales on GBP USD before the buy. So right now I'm expecting that buy to continue on GBP USD to so for the 4-hour time frame of GBP USD, you can see that all these liquidities have been swept Price has traded into our point of interest. Right now, I'm expecting a buy. So currently, I'm looking out for a buy on GBP USD. I'm looking out for a buy on Euro USD. So I'll just wait patiently for entries to align. Now, one of the places I'm looking out for on GBP USD is a 5-minute shift in structure. So I want to see price take out this high on 5 minutes time frame, retrace, and then I'll take my position for GBP USD all the way to the upside. Okay, so this is what I am anticipating on GBP USD. So I'm just waiting for it to give me a proper entry after breaking the structure. Then I'll take my buy. Okay. All right, now to the next one, which is gold against the dollar. Overall, gold is really bullish. All right, gold is very bullish. I have a point of interest for gold somewhere around here, but price just came close and then ran away from that level. I still think maybe gold will sell further downwards into this level, and I'll be looking to take a buy from there. So I have multiple points of interest for gold to the downside. I'm looking at this level also. If I see gold trade into any of these two levels, I'll be taking my trade to the upside. But my overall outlook on gold is for a buy, okay? So my outlook for a gold is a buy. So if on the 1 hour time frame, I start to see shift in structure, clear shift in structure, I could start taking my buys, but then I've not seen that happen on gold just yet. I mean, if you look at this level closely, this last high, price has not closed above it yet. Instead, just weak to show profit taking around there and then stop hunt. And now it's looking like gold might sell a little further. So I'm looking to sell gold, sell it all the way here and then buy it back up. Okay. If you look closely at the 15 minutes time frame, what I just want to see is a clear break. At this region where gold is currently, I'll just stay off until price clearly breaks out of this region. When price breaks clearly out of this level here, I'll be willing to take my buy on gold, trading it all the way to the upside. So I want to see it first break here, and then I'll sell it a little. When it gets to my point of interest, like I highlighted, then I'll take my buys to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting to play out on gold. Okay, then on the yen basket, like we analyzed earlier, the outlook on the yen basket is bullish. So we're very bullish on the yen basket. That's taking out this high. We're expecting it to take out this high also. So this period where there's uncertainty in the dollar, like I've been saying in the past couple of weeks now, we run into the yen just like other bigger investors are doing. When there's uncertainty in the dollar, they run into the yen. So we too, we're going to be running into the yen. Now we'll be taking buy trades on the yen, which means on pairs like GBP/JPY and EUR/JPY, we're going to be looking out for sell opportunities. So the yen bought in the morning and then gave a retracement. I expect it to resume the buy anytime soon. So for GBP/JPY and EUR/JPY, I'm expecting sales. Just like last week, we've been expecting sales, but then price just came out and cleared liquidity before taking further sales. I think that should be last week Wednesday. Okay, so in a sell position somewhere around here, so price just took out this liquidity and then started selling. So there were lots of diagonal liquidities. It was pointed out by one of our students during the students class last week. And he was actually in the buy trade, so he took the buy, and then now the sell has started taking place. So I'm just waiting to see a proper retracement on the GBP/JPY, right? So I'm waiting for proper retracement on GBP/JPY, and then I'll take myself. For now, normally I do not advise going to gauge retracement on GBP/JPY. It can happen overnight. So I'll just wait for it to gradually happen, and then I'll take myself. So the long-term outlook on GBP/JPY and EUR/JPY, and then mostly all the yen pairs is for a sell. So I'll just, if you're not in the trade, then just wait for it to retrace properly, and then we'll take the sell. But if you're in the trade, confidently hold your trade, knowing that it's going to sell more. So for EUR/JPY, since we're expecting a sell, Currently, Euro JPY is looking discounted. What we're expecting to happen on GBP JPY is happening on Euro JPY already. So for me, I'll start looking out for entries on Euro JPY. Anywhere around this level here, I'll be looking for entries. If you look at the price action from Thursday last week into this morning, it's been messy on Euro JPY, but then we are expecting that normal price action is going to resume on Euro JPY, and then we can start seeing proper trades. So for me this morning, I'm looking to sell, for me this afternoon rather, from our time zone, we're looking to sell Euro JPY. Okay, JPY is not giving us good entry, so I'm looking to sell Euro JPY. So you can go to lower time frames and then look for just structure shifts to the downside, which is something I like to do because it has saved me a lot of times from entering a trade before it matures. So I will just wait for it to break here. Once it breaks this level, so something like this is what I'm expecting on Euro JPY. A break of this level to the downside, a retest, and then continuation to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting to play out on Euro JPY. Once I see this, I'll take my entry from around this level, and then I'll sell it to the downside. Okay, so overall, I'm expecting a sell on Euro JPY. I'm expecting a sell also on GBP JPY, but the one that is playing out the most is Euro JPY. So I'll favor the sell on Euro JPY more than that of GBP JPY. Okay, so this is a brief recap on what we analyzed in the morning and what we're expecting to play out for the remaining part of today until tomorrow. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone who joined today's market call-up. We're really glad you are taking advantage of this value that we're giving to you. Because of your presence, we keep showing up every day. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone who joined once again. We'll meet again tomorrow morning by 8:30 a.m. We've seen many people asking what specific time we start the market call. So we want to presume that you're all new, because those who are very conversant and constant in attendance to the market call knows the time. The time is 8:30 a.m. for the morning session, and the afternoon session is 2 p.m. All times are in GMT +1 or Nigerian time, or you say West African time. Okay, so this is market call for today. We'll see you tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Wish you good luck and good trading. Cheers and God bless, guys.